fun day, a really, really fun day. Trying to get my hair to stay up. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, world. And it sure is Monday over here. So, good morning, guys. Hopefully, we just got our hot water going up again because our boiler was not on this morning. But hey, sometimes things like this happen, you know what I mean, guys? And that's why we call it Monday. The funnest day of the week. So for this morning's workout, what you're gonna need is a positive attitude, lots of energy, some water, some light hand weights, your mat, and you're gonna need to know how to do a grapevine for fun as the first exercise. And what, Isa? And a COVID test. See if you have antibodies in your blood so that we can move on with our everyday life. If you notice behind me, coincidentally, there is wild storms going on. Thanks, Jamie, for the suggestion for thunderstorms. And I mean, look, I'm out in the open water. What could be more scary? Do you guys know how to do a grapevine? Okay? Friends of mine. So it's both feet forward, 1 foot behind, you go across, okay? If you can do that. Hopefully you can. If you can't, just improvise. What's that? Yeah, just do it. No, don't start with quick feet. Don't start with quick feet. Okay, so here we go. First exercise is grapevines. Just going side to side. Alright, make a little space for yourself, about 8 feet wide, whatever you have. We will begin in 10 seconds. Is there music? I can't hear music. Can they hear music? 8. Can they hear music? Because I can't. Okay, good. So grapevine, side to side. You can use your arms if you want. You could look like a jazz dancer. Because I know that you can do this really well. Oh, look, there's my friends in Main Street, Orleans. We're just getting warmed up, Caitlin. Selling that wine. Good morning, good morning. It's a really fun Monday morning. So we're just doing grapevine, side to side, nice and quick. On your toes, you can use your arms. How you guys doing over there with that grapevine, my friends? You gonna pass PE today? Look at that beautiful storm behind me. Who's coming down? Hi y'all. Look, have you done the grapevine? Come on, give it a try.
Show me your hair.
Oliver has a class photo. This morning they're taking a class photo.
Show me hair for the class photo.
But right now he's got bedhead, so you know. We'll work on it. And he's wearing a Patriot shirt, which only took us 3.5 years to assimilate into the... Oh, this is what my kids like to do. When I'm live, they like to ask questions. Like, can we please go on technology? Well, we're not supposed to. No, but you need to get dressed.
You always let us after breakfast.
Lou. Alright guys, we are going to go right into just little jacks with your feet. Okay? So jacks with your feet. It's fun to be distracted by small children. You should try it. Good, and rest. This is fun. This is fun. That's what I was saying right about 10 minutes ago when our hot water wasn't working. Oh. Hey. What exercise can we do in the open water? Because I somehow don't fall through and I'm just standing right on top of it. Oh, I'm on a platform. Good job, guys. 2 and rest.
She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love.
Friday is May 1st. May Day. It's also known. Also, the beginning of the week where we did all those little hearts. You read that? Aw, that's so cute. Hopefully we'll find out some good news about it. Moving into the summer, opening up some restaurants. Good, get some water, guys. Whatever you need. And also grab a set of weights. It depends on you, what you're feeling good for, because we're going to be doing some punches. So, grab your weight and we will begin with some straight punches in about 30 seconds. So straight out, as you know. Okay, for the purposes of this, you can be squared off. If you'd like to punch up for a little bit more of a shoulder workout, you could punch up. And then the second half of the round, we're going to be doing some uppercuts. So you squeeze your abs and you punch up. In 3, 2, I like to be a little bit squared off at this point because it doesn't matter to me if I have that dominant foot in the back, but there's no problem with putting it there if you'd like to. Push and pull the weights. Push and pull, don't just let your arms go flying. I have a bet going with Isak. I said, the weather looks beautiful this coming weekend, and he said, there's no way of telling what the weather's going to be this weekend. So, I told him it's going to be good.
No way of forecasting the weather 7 days ahead.
Yeah, well, I'm forecasting that it's going to be much better than what's going on behind me right now. What is up with my hair right now? Lovely. Looking lovely and off to the side. I'm using my whole body, moving my feet a little bit, push and pull, push and pull. I picked up my heavier weights this morning, so it's not that big of a deal, but they're 4s. Good job, guys. 3, 2, rest. Up. Froze a little. That just froze a little and then it started up again.
Yeah, that means hard enough. You got it, push and pull. May told me that she was going to get some bees. I think honeybees this morning with her friend. So she's joining later, which is fun. She's gonna start taking care of bees.
Oh, she said that?
Bees.
Yeah, she said bees, I don't know.
What's she gonna do?
I don't know, maybe her friend makes honey or something. She's with her friend.
Oh,
Good, so uppercuts, guys. Uppercut, uppercut, uppercut.
that'd be awesome.
And for the purposes of what we're doing, you can do it. You can make it extra high if you want.
If she was a beekeeper.
Open up your stance a little bit for this one. Twist and use the obliques. Imagine if May was a beekeeper, did you say?
That'd be awesome.
Doing those uppercuts. Still hear the boiler behind me. Maybe you guys can hear it. No.
But it would have been nice to have it on.
I was wondering why last night I was like, oh, the water's out. Maybe it's because everybody showered. And then I didn't turn the dishwasher on, but I turned it on this morning with cold water, apparently. And our house was extra cold this morning. I'll say some prayers for us, guys. Otherwise, I'm going to start the Go Fund Us boiler page. They did warn us when we moved in. That was the one thing that may go.
One more to go. And it'll be 4 years this week, literally, this day, that we signed our papers. April 30th or 29th, right? Yeah?
I just, back of my head, it's like June.
Yeah, it was April. Well, we moved up physically June with the kids.
After school.
We came and closed this week.
Right.
4 years, Cape Codders, BC in the house. And get some water, guys. Not yet.
That's the one you're not going to be on.
I did. I will say it. We should put it down. The roads were
Like Jane Pond is that for you?
Yeah. Yep. So guys, our next exercise is just that squat jack. Okay, we're just getting started easy this week. Not too easy. And a whole set of squat jacks is no fun anyway. So, if you don't know what I mean, it's regular squat, pop up, cross your feet. Okay? And I kind of go one way with the cross, then the other way. So you can change it up if you want. Just for fun, you know? Because change is good. Like showering, you know, it's good. Oh my God. For real. Heidi, my friend and I were joking about G's. She loves posts recently. It was like one of the first times Tara had seen all the things he's been posting. And she was like, look, he's playing with his chickens. Hi, I was like, well, he's always like that. Every day he's got his sesh, his afternoon sesh. And we have our morning sesh of workout. Wow, that is some dark, scary water behind me. Would you want to be stuck in that water? In a boat or not? Not me. It's basically nightmares. And for the first time in these 7 weeks, I had a nightmare this morning. I'm pretty sure we know why I'm having some anxiety. I had a dream that I couldn't figure out the homework that was being given.
On Tuesday.
And you were there. And, yep, lots of people were there. And what was happening is, it was like you remember when you were younger taking a test? And when everybody starts finishing the test and you're still sitting there taking the test? And I just kept being like, I don't understand. Which test are you guys doing? Everyone was finishing but me. So that's called anxiety, people. No, I didn't sleep well last night. Anyone else? My friend Heidi will be cooking up some of Cape Cod's finest this weekend. The ideas sound amazing. She's picking up 10 pounds of fresh scallops today. Isn't that cool? Sorry, Callie peeps, can't have the food direct. Lots of love from my husband. He must have felt sad that I had those anxiety dreams last night. One of my friends out in Wisconsin sent me a picture of his outdoor workspace yesterday. He just caught up on Friday's workout, right, Chris? Didn't you, buddy? Good job. Better than Isak can say he did for Friday's cardio workout. Right, tech guy? Last one, guys. As many as you can, don't stop.
Sorry, did Chris set up the zip line with me?
Get some water, guys. Get ready for a tough one. Okay, so I will explain the next exercise. What you do is you bring one leg up and across, out, and then down. So you're in the plank position, one leg comes up, or foot comes up to the opposite hand, out, and then down. I'm sorry, over to the other hand and then out. So up, across, over, out, okay? So it's like this. Up, over, out, and switch. Okay? Seems easy right now, but the second half of this round is those froggers, which are awful. You're welcome. Okay, so across, out, down. Across, out, down. Once you get it, pick up the pace a little. Squeeze those abs. Should feel this in your core for sure. Who's that? Who's that? Benny? Hey, bud. Oh, hi, all. Woo! Feeling good here, all. You want to do it with us? One more of these. It's hard, right? Good, well, we're going right into froggers. So in that position, sorry, I'm being asked a question. Push-up position, your feet come up and out. So out and then up. What's up? Stop asking me questions, Ollie.
Yeah.
That's not frustrating at all. Can't do this, guys. Walk it up and out. Okay? But do not stop. Two more. One more, everybody. Got stuff for children. Whew. Keep going, guys. You got it. Water break. Got some water, and it's time for abs. Alrighty. So, for my friend Carly, because she's been so diligent and good about this workout, I know you love the penguins, so let's do some penguins to start. And we already did enough plank position, so we'll just stay on our backs for the whole set. So first ones, just go right into that penguin. If you want it to be a little bit harder, move your feet away. Everything stays up off the floor. Shoulders, head, and squeeze your abs as you move. Am I the only one who still has dreams that I'm taking a test in school? I don't know what the work is. Anytime I have anxiety, it's like I'll have a dream that I'm in college and I can't get to my class or something. I mean, that was almost 20 years ago. Evidently, it was stressful. At times, mostly partying, the rest. Jamie, you have those dreams too, right? I bet you do. There's like you can't make it to the courthouse, or you like just worked on a 30-page document and the whole thing gets deleted by accident. Oh man. 3, 2, 1. Heidi's is probably like she has everything, just somehow she can't cook it or she loses it. Thankfully, it's only a bad dream. Three, 2, rest. Oh wait, no, don't rest yet. Sorry, my bad.
Tech guy says can't get the stream to start.
Yeah. Tech guys, you can't get the stream going. The music is off.
People are texting right there.
Yeah, people are texting me at the same time.
Tech
The boiler's not working. Kick your legs, kick your legs. I should have said next exercise is big leg kicks. With your shoulder and head off the floor if you can. Really getting that core going, guys. I'm live for 2 people right now.
Yeah, it's like that guy said on YouTube. You should get more views.
Yeah, I should work with that guy. I don't want more views. 2 more friends. You're doing great. Last one, guys, last one. 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. This is what I want you to do while you're here. Hug both knees into your chest. Just squeeze it nice and tight. Okay, now you're gonna let one leg go. Keep hugging the other one. And with this other one, you're gonna pull it across your body now. Just stretch out that back, your lower back. Good, now extend it out. Hug the other knee in. This is a good one, guys. This feels good. Good, bring it across. And stay here. And what you can do is bend one knee, bring the opposite foot across. Latch those hands together and pull that knee towards you. And use your left elbow if it's your left knee that's out, or your right, and push out on that opposite leg, okay? Switch sides. Very good. All right. You can pop it up. Let's just do our arms quickly. And I'll let you finish up your legs, but pull one across. Shake them out. Latch them together in front. Round out your back. Okay, then you're gonna come up. Tuck your butt in, and then one more up the back. Guys, great job this morning. Thanks for dealing with my silliness. Have a wonderful Monday. Oh, wait. Tomorrow morning we will not be live, but I was counting. Today's the 29th workout. So you have 29 other workouts to reference if you would like, but I could post one of my favorites, which was the fitness competition, in case you have a loss for which one to do tomorrow. But otherwise, anyway, I'll talk to you soon. There'll be exciting things to follow. Cheers!